Draw the first line along the contour line. The second line starts from the nose wing, draws the outline of the cheekbones, and draws according to the amplitude. The third line starts from the eyes, avoids the tear groove, passing through the highest point, and draws according to the amplitude. The temple area is a forbidden area. We draw a triangular area from the eyebrows. Next, we draw lines in the forehead area. Draw a line 1 finger up from the eyebrows, then frame this area. Randomly, take out a cartridge and divide the area of corresponding size according to the scale line, and connect the lines. Draw a line 1 finger away from the corner of the mouth. And draw a line 1 finger away from the ear. Use the scale lines on the cartridge to divide different areas and connect the lines. Let's do the real operation now. First, pick up the HIFU handle and select the 4.5 cartridge. The first step is to apply the gel. We need to apply the gel evenly. All the areas to be operated need to be applied with gel. After the cartridge is equipped, we first test whether the cartridge has energy output. Select point mode. We start operating the machine and to see if there is any output with energy. Adjustment from lowest to 0.5 joule. After checking, we adjust the parameters according to your needs, like energy. Other parameters can also be selected as default. Next, we start the operation. Let the cartridge stick to the skin and press the start button on the handle. When we finish the 13 lines, it will stop shooting. Then, picking up the handle to the near area and sticking to the skin again, it continues to work. Be sure to operate closely to the skin and ask the customer how they feel during operation. If the customer does not feel anything, we need to adjust the energy to which customer can accept, and then we can proceed to the next step with the same method. For the second line, we operate this area first, because this is the cheekbone area, which is more painful, so the energy needs to be lower than shoot like this. Next step, we start shooting from the masseter muscle to the nose wing. If you want the enhanced mode, we can choose the MP mode, lifting the handle up and move it like this, slowly moving it. Be sure to keep it close to the skin and then start from the corner of the mouth. When we operate the nasopharynx, we need to put more gel. Pressing the temple location with your fingers, we start shooting from the cheekbone and operate following the drawing line. The same method for the second line. Then we use the 3.0 cartridge to do the same operation above. Next, we do forehead treatment using 1.5 cartridges. Operate upwards from the eyebrow according to the operating area, then operate horizontally. As for an enhanced treatment, operate diagonally from the center of the forehead to both sides. The temple location is a forbidden area which cannot be operated. When operating on the body, also draw a line first. Draw a mark 1 finger away from your highest point of the hip bone and draw the same way on the other side. Then link them. Draw a mark 1 knuckle distance from the bottom rib. Other side is the same. Then link them. Draw a mark 1 knuckle distance above and below the navel. So do the left and the right side. The navel location is a forbidden area and cannot be operated. Take a cartridge as the scale size to align and draw marks. At last, connect the upper and lower scale marks. After finished all the operating area, the treatment for the body begins. First, we select the liposonics handle and then use 13.0 cartridge to do operating, choosing cartridges according to the customer fat condition. Click the point mode and adjust the energy from the lowest, such as 0.4 joule or 0.5 joule. The recommended OF energy is 0.5 joule. Finally, we start. Before operation, gels must be applied to the operation area. During the operation, we align the draw line for regional operation, then start the handle. Please remember that the handle should close to the customer's skin tightly. At the same time, we need to ask the customer's feeling. If the customer does not feel anything, we adjust the energy parameter. After the adjustment, we asked the customer's feeling again. If the customer says it feels sore, bloated, or hot, then the energy is acceptable to the customer. Moving the handle close to the skin tightening before the second shot. After the movement, making the handle sticky to the skin again and operating the second shot. The subsequent operations are the same as above. After finish one shooting, keep moving closely with skin. Be sure to use enough gel, which must be applied evenly and in a generous amount. After the point mode, you can switch to the spiral mode. Adjust the energy to the range that the customer can accept. After the fixed operation, aligning with the drawn lines, push up and repeat the same steps. During the operation, apply enough gel to the customer in time and ensure gel in an even application. Then select the MP mode to enhance the treatment and adjust the energy to the range that the customer can accept. Later, move the handle from the far right toward your navel, keeping it close to your skin. Before operating another position, make sure to wait until one shooting finished. The gel must also be applied evenly. Stop the output after the handle near the navel. Then push upward diagonally from the bottom right. Do the same operation with pushing upward. Finally, push up from the position and repeat this step. After operating the waistline, we need to do the staging area lifting. How to eliminate the fat accumulated around the navel. Operate from this position downward, and then operate from this position upward. After treatment with 13.0 cartridge, repeat the steps with 8.0 cartridge.